Econometric Study, Impact of Digital Economy and Financial Inclusive Policy on China's Rural Revitalization. By Jiaqing Liu, Yingbo Liu and Wenbo Liu. With the increasingly mature development of Internet, big data and cloud computing, digital inclusive finance, an emerging form of inclusive finance closely related to these technologies, plays a crucial role in promoting rural development. Through the clever use of network technology, including computer, information processing, data communication, big data analytics, and cloud computing, and other cutting-edge technologies, digital inclusive finance not only realizes the extensive sharing of information but also significantly reduces financing costs and difficulty. This innovative model effectively expands the coverage of financial services and makes full use of the advantages of digital finance, such as sharing, security, low cost, and low entry threshold. By integrating cutting-edge technologies such as big data, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence, a financial management system was built based on big data, so as to comprehensively improve the level of financial management. These measures have injected new vitality into rural development and provided more convenient and efficient financial services for farmers. Focusing on the two core issues of digital inclusive finance and rural revitalization, this paper puts forward a series of specific strategies in view of the four challenges of the digital divide: weak development foundation, imperfect credit system, and lack of digital financial literacy. At the micro level, the study will promote enterprise research and innovation, encourage residents to start businesses and find jobs, and increase residents' disposable income, so as to consolidate the economic foundation of rural revitalization. At the macro level, the study will promote regional financial development, eliminates the income gap between urban and rural areas, alleviate the income gap between regions, and provide strong financial support for rural revitalization. In order to achieve the strategic goal of rural revitalization, it is necessary to comprehensively promote the in-depth development of digital inclusive finance, provide all-round support for rural revitalization, and actively explore a new path supported by inclusive finance. The research results of this project will provide solid theoretical support and practical guidance for the solution of major problems such as the implementation of a rural revitalization strategy and accelerating the construction of new countryside. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.